or welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you all are doing great and you all are safe. So if someone is new over here, hi, I'm Mandra Siddesh and I do videos based on challenges, vlogs and hauls. So if you like this content, please do subscribe to my channel guys. Also it is just free, you all need to click that red button down there. That's it. Okay, so as you all know, I'm just super excited for this video because I'm giving a restaurant review all again and I love this. Okay, this video is something very sweet for me. Like, I just love this video, I don't know why, but yeah, coming to the point, this restaurant name is called as the Barn Bar Kitchen and also this is located in Garuda Mall. Okay, you all need to go to the topmost floor of the Garuda Mall and you all can find this restaurant over there. And also, yeah, this is in Garuda Mall itself. Please don't get confused, like you all must be thinking like, how can a Garuda Mall have a restaurant over there? Yeah, they do have. So yeah, it's also located in Bengaluru. If you all don't know, yeah, if someone is out of Bengaluru seeing this video, just like that. Okay, so I'm just super excited to tell you all and give the review of this restaurant. I'm like super happy, I don't know why. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, the first thing what we ordered was Pink Panther. Can you all see? It looks so cute, right? Okay, the thing is the taste of this juice was like so good because it has a combination of pineapple and strawberry and it was so good guys. We three were like, what is happening? This is so good. And yeah, it's worth the price for sure. And also there's a thumbs up, and also I would like to give 4.5 for this because the quantity is kinda less, but it's all fine for sure. But yeah, 4.5 for 5, and I would recommend you all to go and try this drink when you go to this place. Okay, the next thing is onion rings. As you all can see, I guess you all must know that I'm not a big fan of this, but yeah, I had to have this because they didn't have a proper menu for that day. Because dude, they were like, ma'am, we don't have this. Whatever I was asking, they were like, no, we don't have that, we don't have this. I'm like, shit, that was irritating for me. But yeah, we just thought, okay, we'll give it a try for onion rings, and we gave it a try. And to be very honest, this was so yum. I don't know why, but yeah, we just finished in just like 3 to 5 minutes because to be very honest, we were like so hungry. And also they just took a lot of time to give it. Like, dude, if you're going to this place, make sure that you have a lot of time because the service is kinda bad. I didn't like the service. I guess it was busy on that day, but yeah, they should give the proper service, right? That's it. And also there's a thumbs up for sure. Okay, the next one was veg ratatouille. And also guys, to be very honest, my friend told it will be served differently, but they served it very kinda different. As y'all can see, it was just looking like a rice and sambar, but to be very honest, they had mushrooms in it, and also the greenish thing what you all can see, the toily whatever. Yeah, that was so tasty. I'm not even kidding. Okay, that was so good. And I'm like, dude, what is this? Like, every dish is so proper, and we never thought that it would be so good. But my friend told like she had it in Goa, so yeah, it could be good. And it tastes so good. Like, it was like damn. Okay, I would like to give 5 out of 5 for this one because it was too good. Okay guys, the last dish of that day was this one, and also it was called as mushroom pepper dry. I know you all would have read that already, but yeah, can you all see the way it is? Damn, it was so good. Like, I don't know why every dish was so good, and to be very honest, we all were so hungry. Like, I went with my 2 of other friends, and yeah, we 3 liked it so much. And also this will go like, it was too spicy, okay, and it was so nice. It was crispy, and from inside it was so good, like soft mushroom. Like, it was too good. Okay, I would like to give 5 out of 5 for this all again. And also I wanted to tell you all that the food over here is pretty good, okay, but the service is bad. I just want them to make sure that their service is proper. And also coming to the ambience guys, I don't want to speak, just watch it. I'm like, dude, this is so good. Okay, just watch it. I don't want to disturb you all. video. Hopefully this video was helpful for you all to find the best restaurant in Bengaluru. Also guys, please do make sure that you go on time or before time because they take a lot of time, as I've already mentioned. Yeah, just telling you all again. So if you would have liked this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel guys. Meet you all very soon. Bye bye.